Technotrade presents wireless communications for petrol stations. The traditional wired forecourt connections on petrol stations might not be convenient, or even become a problem in some cases. Cable laying and attending on existing infrastructure is troublesome itself, as that requires careful survey and planning, obtaining necessary permits for excavation and roadworks, cutting and removing the asphalt or other coating, excavation, backfilling after the cable is laid, and finally, asphalt restoration. The overall duration of the process may take from several days up to several weeks, during which the whole filling station, or at least its part, is inoperable. Furthermore, the maintenance of the wired communications is considerably expensive and difficult. That is why Technotrade developed the wireless Forecourt Communicator. It supports all types of commonly used communication interfaces. Wireless communication simplifies the whole process and eliminates the necessity of cable laying and attending. Communication with the WFC is done over a secured Wi-Fi network, and configuration is made through a web browser. In order to use a wireless communication between the PTS2 Forecourt controller and the WFC, they must be using the same secure network, which is established by a separate Wi-Fi router. The WFC allows wireless communication with the most commonly used filling equipment and devices, and has an additional port for RFID reader connection. It is possible to use a separate WFC for each of the Forecourt devices, or to link multiple devices to a single WFC if the used communication interface allows it. If the wired communication is used, the WFC also may serve as a universal interface converter for dispensers. It is able to convert RS-232 or RS-485 inputs into other types of output interfaces. Thus, application of the WFC allows to connect dispensers with different hardware interfaces in a common way. Being about the size of a credit card makes it easy to install in any third-party hardware. Please contact us if you are interested in forecourt automation or have any questions. It would be our pleasure to assist you.